Imagine a world where your pizza is delivered by a machine soaring through the skies, where your lost keys are found with a bird's-eye view, and where aerial photography is just a backyard hobby. Welcome to the future of drones. Drones, once a military tool, are now reshaping industries. From agriculture to entertainment, these unmanned aerial vehicles are paving the way for a revolution in automation. The precision and efficiency they offer are unmatched. Take farming, for instance. Drones can monitor crop health with pinpoint accuracy, saving farmers countless hours and resources. In the entertainment industry, drones are capturing breathtaking shots, previously thought impossible. But that's just the beginning. With advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics, the potential uses for drones are limitless. Emergency services, wildlife conservation, even space exploration, the sky is no longer the limit. To delve deeper into this fascinating world of technology, immerse yourself in the book Adopting Tomorrow's Technology by Manoj Jain. Embrace the future, one drone at a time.